year and back here in Bengaluru. It's always unbelievable to come back and see the energy and the excitement, especially at a time like this. We're perhaps entering this next phase where we're going to go from talking about AI and admiring some of the new capabilities, whether they're in infrastructure or in models, to doing things with AI that are bold and big. And that's, to me, what's really in the air when I come here and I see people excited about what's happening and what you're doing. So I want to spend, the next half hour or so just giving you at least what I see out there as the possibilities and what we at Microsoft are focused on in terms of building platforms. Because at some level, to me, Microsoft has always been fundamentally about two things. We're a platform company and we're a partner company. And even in the age of AI, that's what's going to be true. But whenever you talk about these platforms, I think I lost my, okay. You always need to be grounded in what's the foundational force that's driving the platform shift. In fact, when I look back even my 35 years in tech, it's been about one fundamental force, which has been Moore's Law. The means to the end, which is about empowering every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. That's what, that sense of empowerment that this platform can provide, I think, is going to be next level, and that's what we're really focused on. And to that end, we're building three platforms: Copilot, and AI Stack, as well as Copilot devices. And so what I want to do is just kind of give you the broad contours of what these three platforms all entail. The best way to conceptualize Copilot is it's the UI for AI. So one of the ways you think about, even in a very rich agentic world, remember, the AI will need to interface with us. That needs a UI layer. And that's why I think this organizing layer of Copilot becomes even more important in a world where there are many agents doing autonomous work. I think that's the best way to think about it. Now, the approach we have taken is to build of course, you can build full agents, and we ourselves are building many of these agents that have scope. There's sophistication in buying, but there is a lot of places where there's a lot of inefficiency around content creation. There's massive amount of leverage and operating leverage we get there. So significant use cases across the length and breadth of our own company. And of course, when I come even to India and I get a chance to meet with everyone here, it's no longer, the diffusion is so fast, right? It's no longer about waiting multiple years before it becomes mainstream. I learned a lot by watching many of you to be able to deploy this at scale. In fact, this morning I had a chance to talk to folks at Cognizant. They were telling me about how they've deployed it across the entire sort of employee base. The knowledge turns. One of the things that Andy Grove way back in the 90s used to talk about was knowledge turns, which was about being able to create knowledge fast and really be able to then diffuse that knowledge, right? That's what, just like supply chain turns, people talk about them inside of retail. This is about knowledge turns in any knowledge industry. Another one example was what Persistent is doing. They built a contract management essentially agent. In fact, you can just go address it, at Persistent, whatever contract AI, inside a Copilot. You can get access to it, and that agent is available to you throughout the entire life cycle of a contract management, where even a single change, can have significant impact. So these are just couple of examples of people already deploying this Copilot system at enterprise scale. So now I want to talk about the next platform, which is the Copilot Stack and the AI platform. Spaces. You put those things together, put me anywhere in the world, I'm a happy person. So this has just been a wonderful sort of change in terms of dev productivity everywhere. So the last thing I want to talk about is the Copilot devices. We talked so much about all this innovation and infrastructure, right? starting with silicon in the cloud. Now that's coming to the edge. We are very excited about the work we're doing with Qualcomm, video of already the impact all of the skilling is happening here in India. And thank you all so very much, and thanks for all the great work you're doing all the time.
मेरे विलेज में कोई सीखने का न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज लर्न
And then just before that, I just want to know, as we are sitting here, how many are using the GitHub Copilot in your organizations as a developers, right? So just great, quite few, but yeah, hope you will get something more here.
Wait till I start so I can walk through with me for just a little bit. That's the Wi-Fi network. Everyone have it ready? For those of you who prefer QR codes, there's a QR code you can grab from your device. Alright.